In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, successful organizations are embracing the power of innovation and finding new ways to solve problems. But how can you access the best new ideas and the most creative solutions? We can use the power of crowdsourcing to tackle some of our greatest challenges by sponsoring public or private campaigns to identify the most effective solutions that can enhance our organization and mission. By tapping into the wisdom of crowds, we draw on the diverse perspectives and disciplines of our employees and partners to develop solutions that are otherwise unattainable or unknown. This practice can provide solutions and innovations at a fraction of the cost and time when compared to traditional methods. According to a study by Harvard Business Review, companies that implement crowdsourced innovation can see up to a 30% increase in customer satisfaction, as well as a 20% increase in employee engagement. IdeaScale enables organizations to gather ideas from anyone, anywhere, and at any time. The software helps you manage these ideas using a comprehensive innovation management process. After logging in, you will see a variety of campaigns or challenges, some ideas, and information about our organization's innovation intent. Organizations and departments sponsor crowdsourcing campaigns to solve for specific organizational and external problems. Select a campaign that interests you by reviewing its challenge statement or call to action. By clicking on the plus button, members can submit ideas that address the campaign's challenge statement. Once an idea is submitted, promising ideas may travel through a funnel and workflow. In this first stage, ideas are submitted to be shared with everyone. The crowd can review each other's ideas, provide feedback through comments, and even vote on the ideas that they support. Campaign moderators play a key role by thanking idea submitters, commenting on, and organizing ideas. Moderators also have the ability to move ideas forward if they believe the idea is promising to the organization by meeting predetermined business criteria. Following the idea collection stage, the innovation funnel includes stages to build teams to develop ideas into solutions, refine ideas into value propositions or to add more details, evaluate and select ideas based on an idea's feasibility, viability, and desirability. Evaluation methods, such as weighted ratings and 5-star evaluations, can ensure that the best ideas rise to the top. After ideas are evaluated, the campaign's moderator can assign idea owners to manage ideas that are selected for development. These ideas can be moved to an implementation stage that tells the crowd that they have been selected for further development. Once ideas are implemented, members can continue to provide feedback on the solutions and to support new ideas in other campaigns. The moderator can move the remaining unselected ideas into an archive stage for potential future use. IdeaScale helps all types of organizations to achieve their innovation goals by engaging their workforce in collaborative problem solving. By leveraging IdeaScale, organizations can overcome the challenges of creating change and drive meaningful innovation.